In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your Canon Maxify GX5020 Mega Ink Tank printer. We are going to connect it with your home or office wireless network so that you can use it with different devices for wireless printing and scanning. For the Wi-Fi setup, go to your printer display panel, click on the setting icon, press OK on the Wi-Fi setup. Scroll ahead, click on the manual connect. It will display the list of wireless networks. You can select your Wi-Fi, select use a single router, select the first MAC address, enter your wireless password. You can use this button for uppercase, lowercase, number. Once you enter the password, press and hold the OK button. Click yes to apply. Printer is connected with the wireless network. Press OK. Click on the setting icon. You will see the ready to print with Wi-Fi signal on the top. Next step is to add this printer in a smartphone. You can use iPhone or Android phone. Download the Canon Print app. You can download it from the App Store. In this app we have to add the printer, so click on the printer icon, click on the add switch, register printer, select Canon GX5020 series, we just installed the printer in our smartphone. If you want, you can start printing photos, or you can also print the documents. This way we can do the wireless setup, Wi-Fi setup of this printer and start using it with the smartphone. Thanks for watching.